So I know I wasn't supposed to make a video today, but look at that. Well, I think you can't see it really good. So look right here. Yeah, look at that. And yeah, it's moving this way. Yep, it's moving over this way. Just look at it. Like, damn. Okay, I need to get a better view. I know, and I'm supposed to take out. I'm supposed to take out trash right now, but I want to show you guys this. Sorry, guys, can't see real good. I can't really help it. Yeah, look. That looks crazy. Maybe if I go like over there, you guys will see it better. It's quite windy here today. So yeah, you see over here? Yeah, look at that. Alright, I'm going to go, guys. See ya.